Welcome to Dream on Wheels. We're exploring today. This is the Etrusco T 69SB, a well-balanced motorhome designed to deliver spacious living, flexible sleeping, and a refined travel experience. In this video, we'll take a full tour, covering its exterior, interior layout, kitchen, sleeping setup, bathroom, and what it truly feels like on the road. From the outside, the T69SB presents a clean and modern semi-integrated design. Its proportions feel balanced, long enough to offer space inside, yet still manageable on the road. The aerodynamic profile helps improve driving stability and efficiency. Especially during longer journeys, large windows are placed strategically along the sides, allowing natural light to enter the interior. The entry door is wide and easy to access, making everyday use more convenient. At the rear, you'll typically find a spacious garage area, perfect for storing bikes, gear, or travel essentials. Overall, the exterior is built with practicality and usability in mind. Step inside, and the interior immediately feels open and inviting. The layout is designed to maximize space while keeping everything easy to use at the front. The driver and passenger seats rotate to form part of a comfortable lounge area. This creates a natural living space where you can relax, dine, or spend time indoors. The seating arrangement is generous, offering enough room for extended use without feeling cramped. A centrally positioned table provides a practical surface for meals or work. Natural light flows through the large windows, making the space feel bright during the day and the evening. Ambient lighting creates a warm and relaxing atmosphere. Moving into the kitchen, the design continues with a strong focus on practicality. The layout is efficient, allowing you to move naturally while preparing meals. You get a cooking area with multiple burners and a well-positioned sink. The countertop offers enough space for everyday meal preparation. Storage is well organized, with cabinets and drawers providing space for utensils, groceries, and essentials. A refrigerator is included, allowing you to store fresh food and extend your trips. This kitchen is built for real use, simple, reliable, and easy to manage. At the rear, the T69SB features a twin bed layout, one of the most practical sleeping configurations. Each bed is easily accessible, allowing you to get in and out without disturbing the other person. This adds a level of comfort that becomes important during longer trips. The mattresses provide good support, ensuring a restful night's sleep if needed. The beds can often be converted into a larger sleeping area, adding flexibility. Storage is integrated beneath the beds, along with overhead cabinets. This helps keep everything organized without cluttering the space. The bathroom is designed to make the most of available space. It typically includes a toilet, sink, and a separate shower area. The separation is a key advantage, allowing for better usability during daily routines. The layout feels practical and easy to use, even in a compact environment. Storage compartments provide space for toiletries and essentials. This adds convenience and independence during travel. Moving into the cockpit, the T69SB offers a comfortable and controlled driving experience. The driver and passenger seats are supportive, making long journeys more manageable. The dashboard is clean and intuitive, with controls placed within easy reach in front of the driver. The instrument cluster is clear and easy to read. A central infotainment system provides access to navigation and media features. Large front windows offer excellent visibility, helping maintain confidence on the road. Once parked, the seats rotate to become part of the living area, adding flexibility. What makes the T69SB stand out is how well it adapts to real travel situations. It offers enough space to move comfortably, a layout that simplifies everyday routines, and storage that keeps everything organized. Whether you're traveling for a weekend or planning longer journeys, the experience feels smooth and practical. The Etrusco T69SB offers a well-rounded motorhome experience, combining spacious living, practical design, and everyday usability. If you found this tour helpful, consider subscribing to Dream on Wheels for more campervan and motorhome content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.